In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a DocuSign document. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a quick refresher, stick around as I guide you through the simple steps to access your important documents online with ease. First, let's start by heading over to your email inbox. This is where you would typically receive the notification that someone has sent you a document via DocuSign. Once you've logged into your email account, carefully look through your inbox for the email notification. It's usually labeled with something obvious like DocuSign envelope notification or similar wording. Opening the right email is crucial because it contains the link to your document. After locating the email, go ahead and click on it to open. You'll see a button or a link inside the email prominently marked with a phrase like Review Document. Click on this link as it will direct you to the DocuSign platform and open the document that needs your attention. This step is pretty direct and user-friendly because DocuSign wants to ensure document access is smooth and trouble-free. Once you've clicked that link, you'll enter the DocuSign environment, usually in your web browser, where the document awaits. At this point, if the document requires your signature or engagement, you'll be prompted through the necessary signature or approval steps. Now, if you're signing for the first time, the platform will take you through some guided instructions for where and how to sign. Meanwhile, if the document has already been signed, you'll have a couple of options available from here. If the document is already signed and finalized, you'll see a button labeled Finish. Clicking this button wraps up the process and saves your signature and any other edits you might have made. Another option you may see is to print and sign. This is useful if you prefer having a physical copy to manually sign. On the other hand, if what you need is a digital file of the signed document on your device, you can simply hit Download. This way, you can store a local copy for your records or share it as needed. Remember, having your document downloaded is handy for ensuring you have it accessible even without an internet connection later on. And there you have it, a straightforward process to access your DocuSign document via email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can now navigate the document signing process with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.